Hi guys, Realtor Mike here. How are you? I'm here at Sun Valley. No? It's in Antipolo. No? We have a golf tournament here, school golf tournament. I decided to make a video. One of the suburban areas to. No? It's east side of Metro Manila, Antipolo. Yan. So, as you know, I'm a proponent of suburban living. No? So this is one of the options na pwede, no? Of course, I live in the south. I'm a proponent of yung New Valley living, no? Rising south, the super south. No? But this is an option, Antipolo, no? Good weather, striking distance to Metro Manila. Ito, Sun Valley developed by, I think nag-develop din ng Forest Hills, no? Isang private developer, then partner nila si Phil Estate dati with Forest Hills, and then they separated, no. So adjacent property to, no. Magandang property, it's yung elevation niya mataas, no. Mataas din. So it's a cool weather, no. So the topic that I want to do today is about how do you know if, let's say, what is for you? Is it Antipolo area or yung Rising South, New Valley area, no, na suburban living? Should you choose to live there, no? Well, I'm sharing with you one of a few of my clients who did the experiment, no, nila, one way of finding out if suburban living is for you. And kung saang area, Antipolo ba, east, or yung sa south ba, or north, baka Bulacan. So what they did is a few of them they stayed for 1 week, yung talagang hardcore. No, 1 week they rented in Seda Hotel. Yan. So nagstay sila 1 week and they tried to do their normal thing, their work, their leisure, and ganyan. To get the feel of the traffic, of the lifestyle, the people that they meet, ganon, no? So, I think that's a very effective way of finding out kung talagang that area is for you or suburban living for you. Some, or many of them found it na, uy, lapit pala ng New Valley, no? I could do this, no? Na from work to and from the work, plus mga leisure nila activities nila during the weekend. Kaya 1 week sila nag-book, no? So they found it, and meron din a few that did not fit their lifestyle. So ganoon talaga, no? But many of them have done this, and there's a variation, no? Some of them for a shorter period of time, weekend lang. Yan. Meron ganon, nag-stay sa Seda. And there are other hotels in may Microtel doon, merong Airbnb din sa mga Amaya, no, Amaya Steps, no, and some areas, but the purpose is they actually live there 24 hours, 24/7, and then some 2 days, some for 1 week, meron ako alam for 1 month, yung talagang this before they built their house, they really tried, no. I think I just wanted to share with you that that avenue, no, that style or that technique to find out whether a place is for you. Yun, whether it's here in Antipolo or sa super south in New Valley. No, yun muna. So just wanted to share with you that thought going here. Sabi ko, uy, gawa ko ng topic on this, no, because I've experienced yung kind of flow of traffic kanina. Okay, Realtor Mike here. Stay safe and stay in faith. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Bye.